फ्रेंड्स आप लोग का ये रिवीजन सेशन चल रहा है राइट. सो टुडे डेट इज 13th May 2020 and day is Wednesday. सुन लो बेटा, only 13, 14, 15, 16 4 days will be more. ठीक है. After that you maybe get your summer vacation. Anyways, come to the point. Revision number 10 ना. ये क्या है बेटा? What is this? What is the name of this figure? What is the name of this figure? Tell me. It is a rectangle. REC rect. TAN 10. GLE है ना? What is this? The name of this figure is rectangle. Here name. First you have to write the name है ना? You have to write the name of this figure. So how many sides are there? I have already told you now how to count the sides. You have to count the sides and you have to write the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners are there? You have to write the corners. Similarly, I have given you here some figure. You have to write the name of this figure, how many sides it contains, how many corners are there. You have to write it down. Now this is the second figure beta. In this the opposite sides are equal. This is the rectangle, and what about this? All the four sides are equal. As I told yesterday, I taught you that in a rectangle opposite sides are equal and in square all sides are equal. See, it is also a rectangle. This side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. But it is a square. You have to write it down. Now it is. What is the name of this figure beta? What is the name of this figure? सबको पता है ये rectangle है. It is a square. Then what is the name of this figure? You all know. I am not going to tell you. Yesterday already I have taught you in the class, and in earlier classes also I have explained this. How many number of sides are there in this triangle? You have to mention it. How many number of corners are there in this figure? You have to write it down. Similarly, this is what is the name of this figure, है ना? What is the name of this figure? You have to write it down. How many number of sides are there? You have to write it down. And how many corners are there? You have to write it down. There are the four diagrams I have given. In each diagram, you have to write the name, sides and corners. Now you have already learned table from 2 to you have already learned table from 2 to 6 I think है ना. I have given here the mixed table है ना. मैंने आपको दिया है mix करके. I just want to know whether you have learned it properly or not है ना. ठीक है बेटा. Now see 2 3s are. ये 2 का टेबल नहीं लिखना. You don't have to write the full table of 2. Here I have given mixed table. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8 है ना. Okay. These both are from the table of 2. Similarly 3 7s are, you know very well. 3 9s are, what will come? You have to, this 2 have taken from the table of 3. 4 2s are, what will be the answer? 4 5s are, what will be the answer? These are the table of 4. Means 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. What is 3 7s are? You have to recite the table. You have to recite the table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Similarly 3 7s are 21. Got it children? So this is your revision work. You have to do this both ways. Now come. बेटा पता है आप लोग को in class 1 some MCQs come. What is the meaning of MCQ? MCQ होता है multiple choice question. means आपको one question will be there and you have to write the answer. For example, यहाँ देखो, एक rectangle, a rectangle has dash sides. अब आपको अपना दिमाग लगाना है. इधर देखो बेटा, एक रेक्टेंगल में कितना साइड्स, हाउ मेनी साइड्स आर देयर इन वन रेक्टेंगल? 4 साइड्स आर देयर. गॉट इट? 4 साइड्स. तो यहाँ आपको क्या दिया हुआ है? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज 4 साइड्स, सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज 3 साइड्स एंड थर्ड ऑप्शन इज 2 साइड्स, है ना? यू हैव टू रीड द क्वेश्चन केयरफुली. अ रेक्टेंगल हैज डैश साइड्स. कितना साइड्स रहता है रेक्टेंगल में? बोलो तो. हाउ मेनी साइड्स आर देयर? ऐसा रहता है ना रेक्टेंगल. हाउ मेनी साइड्स आर देयर? 1 2 3 4. मीन्स मैम ये 2 रॉन्ग दे दी है और एक राइट देगी. मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन में क्या होता है ना, यू विल 3 आंसर विल बी गिवन टू यू. आउट ऑफ दैट only one answer will be correct and the other 2 will be wrong. अगर 2 मैम रॉन्ग देगी, मैम जानबूझ के 2 रॉन्ग देती है ना आप लोग को कंफ्यूज करने के लिए. मुझे देखना है कि मेरे बच्चों को कितना आ गया है. ठीक है? नाउ कम मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस, MCQ. A rectangle has dash sides. अब यहाँ मैम 4 साइड्स भी दे दी है, 3 साइड्स आर ऑल्सो गिवन, 2 साइड्स इज ऑल्सो गिवन. कौन सा राइट होगा? एक रेक्टेंगल बनाएंगे, है ना? यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ rectangle and count the number of sides. What will be the answer? This is wrong, this is wrong and this is the correct one. Similarly, a square has dash corner. Square में कितने corner रहते हैं, है ना? ठीक है? How many corners are there in a square? मैम इसमें दो कोई रॉन्ग दी है और एक राइट दी है. यू हैव टू टिक द राइट वन एंड यू हैव टू क्रॉस द रॉन्ग वन. A triangle has dash sides. A triangle has dash sides. Triangle में कितने साइड होते हैं? Again I had given you 3 option, है ना? 1 sides, 2 sides, 3 sides. 3 ऑप्शन दी हो, उसमें से कोई एक आपका राइट होगा, बाकी 2 क्या होगा बेटा? रॉन्ग होगा. यू हैव टू डू बाय योर सेल्फ. मैं देखना चाहती हूँ आप लोग को कितने लोग को आया है. A circle has dash corners. सर्कल में कितने कॉर्नर्स होते हैं? अगेन आई हैड गिवन यू 3 ऑप्शन, A, B and C. या तो A राइट होगा, या तो B राइट होगा, या तो C राइट होगा. कोई एक, यानी 1 इज करेक्ट एंड अदर 2 ऑप्शंस आर रॉन्ग. ठीक है बेटा? तो आप लोग को समझ में आया? आप लोग को समझ में आया कि MCQ का मतलब क्या होता है? एंड इसको पढ़ना तो आ रहा होगा ना? देखो, पढ़ना नहीं आ रहा तो सुनो. ट्राइएंगल, है ना? SQUARE स्क्वायर. ओके. हाँ, नेक्स्ट वन मोर थिंग इज दैट बेटा कि आप लोग बहुत मेहनत से यू हैव लर्न द टेबल्स फ्रॉम 2 to 6. ओके. सो whenever you get up early in the morning, your first work is to revise that table proper. Okay, you have to revise that table in a proper manner. Each and every day just revising. अपने आप फिर आप लोग को लर्न हो जाएगा. अगर आप लोग रिवीजन नहीं करोगे then you will be not able to learn it properly. After some days you will be forget all the things. So whatever I had given you, you know, you have to do it in a proper manner. What is the spelling of rectangle? You know ना? नहीं पता? मुझे भी नहीं आ रहा है. ये देखो, REC rect, TAN ten, GLE कल. A rectangle has dash sides. कितने sides होते हैं? अच्छा बेटा, मैं एक घर बना रही हूँ. ओके. How many rectangles are there? Can you count it? See. This is one rectangle. This is one rectangle. One more thing. You have to color this figure also. Okay, one more thing I have forgotten to tell you. After writing this on your copy, after copying it in your copy, you have to color this figure also. That's all, beta, for today's class.